Hey guys, it's Tony. Just wanted to update you guys. The 30-minute MACD broke to the bullish side a couple of minutes ago, and the 1 hour is about to break on the upside. I do think the big move upwards is going to happen right now. If we move up and we do cross the 0132 level, I think we are going to hit. I think the next level that we're going to go upwards is going to be, man, why is this so long? 1 point. It's going to be 2 cents. Actually, yeah. So if we do break the 0132 level, we'll keep track of it, right? But if we do break this 1 hour, right, on the bullish side, and the momentum stays strong, I think the next level, the next price range, we're probably gonna end up going straight to 2 cents. And then if we do cross that 2 cents, if we do cross that 2 cents immediately, 100%, I think we're gonna reach 3 cents, possibly 5 cents, and then after that, it's the moon, man. I have no clue where this thing can stop, but if there's gonna be a move that happens, it's gonna be between now and like another hour, 2 3 hours. I'm running right now on 7 o'clock PST, so 7 o'clock California time. If you see this video, dependent on what time I posted it, another hour or two, there should be a big move happening relatively soon. I'll see you guys later.